Guess what, family? On today, I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm actually going to Starbucks. So, of course, I'm taking you along. So I immediately walk in and I'm drawn to the cup display on these shelves because, these are some real pretty cups. Then next I walk over to the counter and I try to peruse the menu quickly to see if something catches my eye. I did inform them that this was actually my first time ordering something from Starbucks. Unfortunately, they did not give me any recommendations. So this is my first time ordering something from Starbucks, and so I'll let you know in a few minutes if I think it's worth all of the hype. Yeah, I'm outside, so cars are passing by, all of that crazy stuff. So when I get in the car, we'll be back. So I'm in the car. Mom and I just finished working out, and I ordered a turkey bacon sandwich with an egg white. So let's try it out. Not loving my presentation. Look like they just threw it in the bag. Oh, and this is turkey bacon. So let's give it a try. So I ordered, this is the pineapple refresh lemonade with passion fruit. Smells good. Let's see. Nice and cold. My honest review, the sandwich is okay. The drink, it's okay. But it's not, in my opinion, almost $5 okay. So it's not a place I think I will frequent. Maybe every now and then. And when I say every now and then, I mean twice a year. That's just my opinion. I guess because I am not a coffee drinker, so this would be the extent of my time. So listen, I'm back home and I added a little bit of my pink lemonade to the cup, and I like mine a lot better. But anyway, I don't want to just dismiss Starbucks. So in the comment section below, please write down some drink options, non-coffee options, and perhaps some pastries you think I should try. Maybe I'll give them another chance. But this first initial visit, I'm not overly impressed. Not overly impressed. But anyway, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.